spirit of Christmas is already in the air, with everyone purchasing decorations, looking out for perfect gifts, and of course, figuring out great ways to cook up a spread. In Kerala, Christmas isn't complete without plum cakes, rose cookies, and the traditional breakfast of appam and stew. Let's learn how to make this wonderful stew. It's festive on Dakshin Curry. Let's make this simple yet flavorful chicken stew recipe which can go along with your appams. First step, switch on, and we are going to use coconut oil today, around 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and once it gets hot we are going to roast some spices. Now there are not too many masalas in this, just some whole spices. In go some cloves, a little bit of star anise. I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon, cardamom, crushed black pepper, and then I'm going to give this a good mix. Now along with this we'll also add some green chilies. Now along with this let's add our onions, and I'm going to add some curry leaves now. I'll add some later also. And now we'll saute all this on a medium flame till the onion just starts to get a little translucent. Now along with this, at this stage also add garlic, ginger. Onions have like cooked, got translucent. I just can't get over the aroma. We'll add the chicken. Now this chicken has been marinated for around a couple of hours with a little bit of turmeric and salt, no lime juice. And once we add this, we are going to sear this. Now at this stage I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Now once we have kind of seared this for a while, what we'll do is we'll add the rest of the vegetables, not much, just a little bit of carrot and some potatoes. Give this a mix. It's going to be nice and flavorful, and you're going to get a nice mild sweet flavor from the coconut milk. And if you want to know how to make coconut milk, you can go and check it out on my channel. Now that this is seared well, what we are going to do is we'll be adding thin coconut milk extract. Now this is enough to just cover the chicken completely. So right now what we need to do is just mix this once, and then we'll cover and cook this till the chicken is almost done. Let's check on our chicken. It's been cooking away for good 10 to 12 minutes. Getting a nice aroma of coconut oil and also a mild fragrance of the spices. The carrots look pretty, the potatoes are cooked, and so is the chicken. Now at this stage, some thick coconut milk which is going in. And after you add your thick coconut milk, you don't have to cook for a long time. And in the meanwhile, we'll prepare a very simple tempering for it. Now to finish this, another pan, and we are going to add some more coconut oil, and we'll just allow this to heat up. And once it heats up, I'm going to add some curry leaves, shallots which are finely chopped, and we'll just give this a nice mix. And once this kind of starts to brown a little, we'll pour it over our chicken. Just one more quick mix, and we'll switch off the flame for the chicken. We'll pour this over our stew. After doing that, give this a mix. That's all there is to this recipe. Your stew is ready to serve. I know I look funny right now, but I really can't get over this aroma. It's amazing. I don't have much to say for this recipe. Just make it, eat it, share it with your loved ones. If you have liked watching this recipe, which I'm sure you have, do click on the like, share and subscribe button.